Take control. The Philips Hue Smart Dimmer switch allows you to control your Philips Hue Smart lights from the comfort of your couch or bed. The battery-powered wireless Hue Dimmer switch with remote smoothly adjusts the intensity and color of your Philips Hue Smart bulbs, and switches them on and off. Schedule your own custom lighting scenes. When using your Philips Hue Smart Dimmer switch with Philips Hue Smart bulbs, you can use the On button to switch between 4 light recipes without the Philips Hue app, or use the Philips Hue app to configure your 4 favorite scenes Hue ecosystem. This is the perfect way to personalize your smart home. Limitless Possibilities. Control up to 50 lights using the Philips Hue Hub, or use the dimmer switch without the Philips Hue Hub to control up to 10 smart lights. The Philips Hue Dimmer switch doesn't require an internet connection to work. Voltage, 1.5 volt. Maximum flexibility. Mount the Philips Hue Smart Dimmer switch anywhere with the included screws or adhesive tape, the removable remote for ease of use, no rewiring required. Easy installation. Install your Philips Hue device in a minute. Simply follow the instructions in the Philips Hue app. Our default settings give you immediate control over your smart lights. Customize the smart lighting scene settings in the app to fit your needs. Smart home device compatibility. When you use the Philips Hue Dimmer switch with a Philips Hue Hub, the dimmer switch can be used to control any Alexa smart home device or a HomeKit-compatible appliance via the Apple Smart Home app. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect switch to go with your Hue lights. This switch is the best thing to get along with your Hue lights. Just wish that they would include it when you at least bought the Hue starter kit. Setup. Super simple. Take the switch, dimmer out of the box, remove the plastic tab sticking out of the battery tray, open the Hue app and in the Settings tab go to Accessories and click Add. The app will give you 2 options, one asking if the switch is new and never used before and the second asking if the switch was used for another light before. Just select the first one and wait a couple of seconds while it looks for the switch. Once connected it will ask you which rooms you want it to control, select the one you want and you're done. The switch has 4 buttons, on, off, brighter and dimmer. Here's a tip. The On button also acts as a way to switch the preset color of the lights. Within the accessory part of the app you can click on the switch you want to edit and choose what happens when you click the On button once, twice, 3rd time, 4th and 5th time. First press will turn the light on to the settings for when the light was last on. You can change this though. You can make 2nd 5th press change the scene of the lights.